That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Oh, that's a vibe, yeah. It's a vibe. That's a vibe. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you are new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. As you can see from the title down below, I'll be showing you guys what exactly I pack in my carry-on bag and my personal item. There are 3 things that I did not mention in the video. The first item is a neck pillow. I love to take a neck pillow because I am a sleeper when it comes to plane rides. I can sleep the entire way and I'm totally fine. Some people can't sleep. Some people like get queasy stomachs. Not me. I'd be knocked out. Second thing that I love to bring is a blanket, and it's because planes are so flipping cold. Like 9 times out of 10, your flight is cold. So always bring a blanket, or make sure you bundle up, like wearing sweatpants or sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. And then of course you can take all that stuff off once you get to your destination if it's a warm destination. And third, I love to take gum on the plane because as the plane is going up, you start to feel your ears pop, and if you're chewing gum as the plane is going up, it will kind of level out the popping and that weird feeling in your ears. But other than that, that is all the items that I did not mention in the video. If you are interested in seeing what I pack, then just keep watching. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to effectively pack a carry-on bag. So hopping straight in, I honestly start packing 2 weeks in advance, and I do this by making a list. I literally list out everything that I plan to take. So the first things first, I like to lay out all of my clothes on the bed that I plan to take. Now I know some of these things look wrinkled, and that's perfectly fine because my destination has a urn, and there's no sense in ironing it and it's just going to get wrinkled again because of the way that I'm going to pack it. The way that I pack it makes sure that I can fit everything in it. So let's just go ahead and get straight into the video. Here is the luggage that I plan on carrying. This is the standard 22-inch 360 roller luggage. I love this suitcase because it does have a TSA lock, although it will be overhead. Just in case I walk away, no one can get inside of my luggage. On the inside, this luggage has 2 compartments. First compartment that you are seeing right now with the straps will hold my clothes, and the other compartment with the zipper flap will hold all of my toiletries. So when it comes to packing my clothes, I prefer the rolling method. Some prefer the cubes, however, I feel like cubes take up a lot of space. So in order to roll, you need to fold your clothes as I just did, and then you roll them as tightly as possible. The reason why I like to do this is because I feel like you can put more clothes into the luggage. So with every piece of clothing, I fold it as tight as I can, and then I roll it as tight as I can. The outfit that I am packing right now is a pair of black leather leggings, a black t-shirt, and some jeans, and a nice white top. And as you can see, I am folding and rolling as tight as I can. Here is a green satin romper, and it was super hard to roll this as it has a deep V cut. So the folding was off, the rolling was off, everything was off, but it's okay because I ended up getting it in. And now I'm just putting in some pajamas. Moving on, now I started to pack more comfortable clothes. Since we do plan to tour where we are going, I packed a lot of biker shorts and t-shirts, about 4 pairs of biker shorts and about 3 pairs of t-shirts. Guys, I really planned on being comfortable this trip, but I did also have a lot of cute night outfits. Now I'm just tucking in some bathing suits. I have 2 two-pieces and 1 one-piece. Guys, honestly, packing when doing the rolling method is just like a puzzle. Wherever you can fit something, as long as it's rolled tightly, you're good. And you can always throw some last minute things on the top like I just did. So after I'm finished packing my clothes, I can go ahead and strap this up and move on to the other side, which is toiletries. You guys already know I went to Target to get all of my toiletries. I will be putting everything inside of this clear bag, which is super easy for TSA to look through. Just have a Dove white bar soap, toothpaste, Aveeno for my face, Listerine mouthwash, deodorant. I love men's deodorant. Neutrogena makeup wipes, a soap holder for my face soap, my electronic toothbrush with a holder, contact solution because your girl is blind, so you already know I need to bring contacts, my Mario Badescu spray. I have Summer's Eve, some sunscreen because we will be out touring. I also have my under eye cream, a Ziploc bag filled with cotton pads, a contact holder, also some contact drops just in case my contacts feel super dry, some lotion, this is Jergens, and my toner for my face. Everything fit in this bag super perfectly, as you guys can see. Now, I did not forget my spin brush. It did get packed separately since I do use this every day, so it just had to go in a separate bag by itself last minute. Moving on to makeup, I just used this 3-piece makeup bag set. I really like this set because, as you can see, all 3 pieces fit into a bigger bag, which helps with space. As for makeup, I just packed my basics such as foundation, concealer, and at least one makeup palette that contains basic colors. Now it is time to go ahead and put everything in. So the first bag was for my toiletries. I have a second makeup bag, and this pink bag contains all of my makeup brushes, and of course my 3-piece makeup bag that I just showed you guys. So just like with the clothes, it's all about making things fit based off of their size. So you will see me take some things out and put them in a different place, and finally I figured out where everything could go and fit. So I actually had some space left, and I put my birthday dress on the top, and I had a little side empty space, so I just went ahead and put my snake print slides in there. And we're all done, so let's go ahead and zip this up. And that is all for my actual suitcase, so I just zipped up the entire suitcase afterwards. The next bag that I'm going to pack is going to be for all of my electronics and cords. So I just have my camera charger and the extra battery, my camera bag, Polaroid camera and extra film, tripod, an extra memory card with a holder, the cord that allows me to transfer photos and videos to my phone, and last, my iPhone charger. Here is how the bag looks with everything inside. My iPhone charger will be located on the side of my carry-on just so I can easily take it out when I need it. As for a carry-on, I chose to use a book bag. Usually I choose to take a purse, but for this trip I thought a book bag would be much better. And this book bag has a lot more space than a purse would, and it keeps things more organized since there are different compartments. And as you can see, I have about 6 compartments in this book bag, which is amazing. I only packed 1 pair of shoes, and the reason why is because the rest are going inside of my carry-on. So I'm just taking this Target bag, it can be any type of plastic bag, just to protect the inside of my book bag, and I'm putting my shoes in there. So in this bag I put 2 pairs of heels, and I'm just going to tie this up and put it inside of the bag. Surprisingly, the bag was actually really light even after I put all of my shoes in there. And next I'm taking this Tory Burch dust bag, and I'm just putting both pair of my Tory Burch sandals inside. And last, I'm putting a pair of tennis shoes for touring inside of another Target bag to put inside of the book bag. Just kidding, I have 1 more pair of shoes. I have another pair of little sandals just to slip on. And for my electronic bag, it is going to go in the front pocket. On the side of the book bag, I will be putting hand sanitizer just because being in an airport is super nasty. Also, I have a eye cover and some earplugs just for a smooth plane ride. and I like this little drawstring bag. I will list all of the things that I purchased on Amazon for my trip down below. This is a new pickup for me. This is a portable mirror just to do my makeup, just because I like up close mirrors. I also like to pack socks in my carry-on just in case I want to put some on the plane. Last, I have a big bag in this small compartment just so I can put all of my dirty clothes in. So you guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Also, if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the golden gang, and I will see you guys in the next one.